single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ade, and you're watching She Slay TV. I know I've been gone, but I had a baby, and 5 kids is really hard to maintain and do all these wigs and stuff. So yeah, as you can see, I'm even hiding in the bathroom trying to do this review. So let's get right to it. This wig is fairly old, I want to say. It's not really new, but it's not old either. But while I was away, I saw a lot of reviews from some of my friends, and I absolutely fell in love with her. But I did not see anybody review this color, which I'm interested to see how it turned out as well. So yeah. This is the wig, and that's the color. This is by Zury, and the name of this wig is BYD TP Lace H Blast, or just Blast. I mean, that's a lot. That's a lot. And I have her in the color Platillow. Platillow or Patillo. Yeah. Either way, I just can't wait to see how this this turns out. But yeah, here it is. And I'm about to put it on real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, hi guys. So real quick, before I put it on, I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. Got combs. I just cut the lace off. This lace was really hard. It's not hard lace, but it was hard to see because this look white. It don't just look white, it is white. I thought it was a gray color. I don't know. Okay, it got combs. Here's the parting. So it got like 3 different parts. Comb in the back as well. Adjustable straps. Yeah. A part of me want to say, I know you lying. But then again, I chose this color. Yeah. So, I'm nervous, but hopefully it looks good. I hate this style. These braids, no. What is this? In this color, maybe in another color, but in this color, this style, these braids, no. I'm not gonna give up on this wig because the texture, the color is beautiful. But in this style, with this, look at the baby. I'm not even gonna waste my time. Hey guys, so far what I did to the wig is I cut all those white baby hairs because I'm not laying that down. It's not happening. Took the braids out. Don't like it. I'd rather get some real braids and do like that hairstyle with my real hair, not with a wig. It just looked too bulky, too fake, just not happen. I darkened the roots using mascara. That's the old treatment. Mascara, marker, makeup, I just like mascara. I did it all the way around because it's white all over. So I did it all the way around from ear to ear. And right now I'm just lightening my part. I really don't have to pluck the part because the hairs that's right there is like white. So I just feel like to avoid more shedding, instead of plucking, I'm just going to use this little makeup. Let me see if I can do it. Oh, I gotta fix that. Yeah, just lightening the part space. And yeah, so this is how it looks now. So I'm about to put it on. And let's see. Fingers crossed. Oh, by the way, I had to use flat iron right here in the front because the it was curly, like crinkly curly. You know, just like when you take out your regular braids, your cornrows. That's how it was looking right here in the front. And I mean, it didn't look that bad, but if the whole hair was crinkly, I would have kept it like that. But since this is a different curl pattern, I just flat iron right here to straighten it out. But I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back real quick. Let me show you around. And yeah, so let's fix it. Well, you know what I'm pretty much trying to do, just get it to lay down straight and in the front and curly right here on the bottom. And pretty much this is it, y'all. Do I like the end results? Yeah, love it. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I love it. Anyway, okay, so pretty much y'all saw it out the pack. Was trash. Would have thrown it away if I didn't fall in love with the color. However, I had to darken the roots. It just, maybe somebody else can wear it like that without having to darken the roots, but for me to pretty much feel confident in this color and just feel like, yeah, I look good, I just felt like I had to darken the roots, or else I wasn't gonna do it. I did cut my lace a little bit closer than I used to because I had to cut out the baby hairs was too thick, just too much. I had to cut it out. And then I went ahead, I think you can still see some, I know the wall is white, so it blends in, but some of the hair is still crinkly. So I'm gonna go back with my flat iron and flatten that, but I did a real good job right here in the front of flat ironing it because it was like really, you know, kinky curly, like just crinkly, just like you took out some braids, which is exactly what I did. I took out the braids that it came with. And yeah, so I darkened the roots, added some makeup in the part, and yeah, so for now this is pretty much the end results. I love the texture of the hair. That's the only reason why I even put any work into it, because if it wasn't worth it, I would have just forgot about that wig. But it's actually worth me doing all of this to it. I will only wear it in this style or to the side. Let me see. Don't laugh, my part about to move. Oof. Yeah, so in the middle or on the side like this will be the only way that I'm going to wear it. I'm not going to be messing around with all those little extra parts and stuff because I'm going to have to darken the root and all that. Like, nah, it's cool. It's cool. It's reversible. So, and movable and switchable, whatever. So, yeah. Yeah, so, y'all let me know what you think. Comment below. Of course, if I was to leave it on this side, I would, you know, add some powder right here. Let me show y'all. Add some powder or some makeup. And blend my part a little bit better. Like that. Oh, that's not light enough. Okay, that's much better. Yeah, but yeah. Okay, so I love it, and yeah, I'm not trying to make this video too long. Big head friendly, not so really. I guess it's alright. It's like one of those one size fit all type thing. It will fit. I feel like it will fit on like smaller heads, and people with bigger heads don't think it's gonna go from front to back. Like, you're gonna feel it's really snug. Let me say that. So it's up to you. I'm definitely gonna buy this in more colors. Absolutely. And I'm definitely glad I bought this color. This isn't something I regret. I had a feeling it was going to be a struggle, but if y'all know me, if you know my channel, then you know that I usually do colors, especially colors that a lot of people want to stay away from, just to see what I can do with it. I'm not afraid of colors at all. And I think it turned out gorgeous. So comment below. Let me know what you think. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you get a notification when I upload my next video. Trust me, you don't want to miss none of my videos. And thank you so much, especially some of y'all who was with me from the very beginning. And y'all still with me, even though sometimes y'all don't hear from me for a whole year. But I'm back.